welcome back. I'm Ron. We have an update to the Palisades Fires in Southern California and the new images released by the FBI. Now, I've seen a few videos out this week where people suggested it may not have been a drone strike. Well, we finally got the proof that it was actually a drone strike that hit that plane in those California fires. Now, apparently the drone that struck the Super Scooper was a DJI mini drone. And let me just play you real quick the comments by the FBI Assistant Director in Charge, LA Division, Akil David, regarding the matter.
We'll work backwards through our investigative means to try to recreate that drone and figure out what company owns that drone and who it was assigned to.
So let me recap a little bit for those not following the story. Last week, the critical battle against the raging Palisades fires in Southern California faced a major setback due to an unauthorized drone collision with a firefighting aircraft, the Super Scooper. Now, one of those, they have two of them. One of the Super Scoopers, essentially, which are tools for combating wildfires, sustained significant damage when the drone struck its wing, leaving a big gaping hole that has rendered the plane inoperable until Monday, the 13th, January 13th. Now, the FBI is actively investigating the incident, determined to track down the owner of the drone and could face severe legal consequences. The damage caused by the drone collision is severe, with a 3 by 6 inch hole in the aircraft's wing. Fortunately, the skilled pilot managed to land the plane safely, but the Super Scooper, which plays a pivotal role in suppressing wildfires, is now grounded, or at least it's grounded again until Monday. Now, this grounding is a devastating blow, particularly as the Palisades fires continue to threaten Los Angeles homes and families. Firefighters rely heavily on these planes, which skim low over water surfaces to scoop up and drop thousands of gallons of water over the fire areas. Now, these aircrafts are among the most effective tools they have to fight these fires. Unauthorized drones pose a significant threat, and obviously potentially they could collide with aircraft and interfere with the operations there while they're trying to fight the fires. So the FBI is actively investigating and meticulously piecing together fragments of the drone to trace it back to the origins or its owner. As this investigation unfolds, the grounded Super Scooper remains out of service, again leaving firefighters overburdened and under-equipped during critical times of fighting these fires. Again, these are actual images of the DJI drone that was recovered. It does appear to be a DJI mini drone, so we can put to rest that it wasn't a drone at this point. Obviously it was. We now have the FBI's confirmation and the actual photographs themselves as well. And obviously the timing of this incident couldn't have been worse. The Palisades fires are still ongoing and continue to rage across Los Angeles, endangering lives, properties. With one of the two Super Scoopers temporarily sidelined, firefighters are losing precious time and resources in their battle to contain the blaze. Now, the FBI is issuing a strong warning to drone operators to keep your drones out of the restricted airspace, especially over active wildfires. Unauthorized drones not only jeopardize the lives of the pilots, the firefighters, but also hinder, again, critical efforts to protect the communities. And I think it goes without saying that we as the public should respect the flight restrictions and support those working to safeguard the lives and the properties. Now, I'll continue to follow the story, and if I hear more, I'll post on here on the channel as well. With that being said, I wouldn't expect the FAA's final investigation, obviously, to be anywhere near complete for quite some time, but the fact that the drone was recovered shouldn't make it too hard to backtrack. Obviously, if they subpoena DJI, they're going to get the information as well. Now, the FBI didn't mention if the drone showed an FAA drone registration number, but at this point, I don't think it would be too hard to track down, again, the original buyer and then go from there. It's actually a bit surprising the drone didn't get burned up in the fires. I'm actually surprised they even recovered anything. With that being said, be safe. Just don't fly your drone anywhere near these types of events. It's just not worth the legal fines, the cost, the drama. You get the point. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you got any value out of it, please leave a like. It's always appreciated. And we'll see you in the next one.